Well, we're out on the lake fishing for just about anything, kind of junk fishing today, fishing for anything we can find. Been fishing this riprap over here, catching smallies. We probably caught 8 or 10 pretty quick. After this, we're gonna do some trolling, see if we can't catch some walleye or some wipers on the way back in. Just out here for a couple hours real quick, see what we can come up with. But caught a few on crankbaits already on the Mega Bass, Deep X 100, catching a few on a Kitech. They're hitting it pretty good, so the bite's pretty good. We're picking them up pretty quick, but see if we can't catch a couple more. Where'd all the fish go? I caught 3 fish and like 6 casts and now nothing. There's one. That didn't take long, I just had to talk about it. Another little one. And you can fish.
I caught that last time. Back here. I already said that.
Anything's gonna work. A crankbait, a swim bait, any of that stuff. Is it snagged? Because the other one I don't even think has a leader on it. Beep, 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 beep. Fish on. Come here, come here, come here. This is definitely a wiper or a bigger fish. Real, 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 real. We'll have to get that out later.
You got it, buddy. Good job, keep going.
It's a big walleye. Hold it up.
Hold up.
Looks like a big walleye. Keep reeling, just scoot it right into the net. Don't stop reeling. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, it's tangled on that one.
All right, good. Stop.
Fish on. Come here, Aiden. There's a fish. This is you. I think there's a fish on this one. Here, reel it in.
Reel it in.
Reel it in. Reel, 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 reel. I don't know if it's snagged something or if there's a fish on it.
Keep going.
I got a steer though, so can you help him? Keep the tip pointed up. Just in case it is a fish.
Good one.
Need to keep it out the middle of the boat or you're going to wrap up all the other lines. You got to keep it pointed out the back of the boat. Keep it pointed up. There you go, like that. It's getting close. It's almost here.
Almost here?
Yep.
Yeah. Keep going.
Walleye. Well, we're all wrapped up again, headed back in. We ended up catching about 12 or 15 smallmouth and trolling back to the truck now, see what we can catch. We got, again, like always, we'll link all the baits we used in the description, so you can look down the description, check them out if you're interested. Hopefully we can catch 1 or 2 more and make some fish tacos when we get home. So If not, we'll catch you guys next time.